Every year, millions of us pour energy, time, and resources into annual gardens, tilling the earth, planting seeds, watering daily, and finally harvesting after months of care and anticipation. But as soon as the season ends, all that hard work disappears, and we're left with empty beds, waiting to start the cycle all over again next spring. Annual crops are a constant commitment. Each spring, you break ground and plant anew. Each fall, you harvest what you can, then pull up the remains and prepare for another round. It's a never-ending loop, rewarding, but undeniably labor-intensive. Trees, on the other hand, are a completely different story. You plant a tree once, just a single act of effort, and then, with a little patience, that tree can feed you for decades, sometimes even for generations to come. Imagine investing just a weekend to plant a tree and then reaping the rewards year after year, with minimal maintenance. It's like setting up a food-producing machine that keeps on giving, long after the initial work is done. Today, I'm sharing the 8 most productive, reliable food trees you can plant. Trees that can outproduce even the most intensive annual gardens over their lifetime. These trees are resilient, adaptable, and can thrive in a variety of climates and soils. These aren't just about survival, they're about abundance, flavor, and nutrition. With the right trees, you can enjoy baskets overflowing with fruit, nuts, or pods, enough to share with friends, family, and neighbors. Number 5 on our list is especially impressive. It produces hundreds of pounds of chocolate-flavored pods every single year, turning your backyard into a source of delicious treats and endless possibilities. And number 1? It's a true powerhouse. Just one mature tree can provide enough food to feed a family of 4, season after season, with little more than sunlight and rain. These aren't just trees, they're living food systems, designed to nourish not just you, but your children, grandchildren, and even great-grandchildren. Imagine the legacy of planting something today that will feed your family for generations. The best time to plant them was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. So grab a shovel, pick your spot, and let's dig into the ultimate food hack, planting trees that will change your life. Let's kick it off by exploring a tree that's been quietly thriving in backyards and wild spaces for centuries, yet rarely gets the spotlight it deserves. We're talking about the mulberry, one of the most underrated and productive trees you can grow, often overlooked despite its incredible benefits. Most people have never tasted a fresh mulberry, simply because these berries are so delicate they can't handle the rough journey to grocery store shelves. But if you're lucky enough to have a tree nearby, you can enjoy sweet, juicy fruit straight from the branch, still warm from the sun. Picking mulberries is a joyful, hands-on experience, perfect for families and kids. A single mature mulberry tree can produce an astonishing 50 to 80 pounds of fruit every year, and it keeps giving year after year without the need for replanting. Imagine baskets overflowing with fruit, enough to share with friends, neighbors, and wildlife. The fruit doesn't ripen all at once, but gradually over several weeks, providing a steady supply of fresh berries all summer long. This means you can enjoy handfuls of mulberries day after day, rather than harvesting everything at once. Mulberries are incredibly resilient. They thrive in poor soils, resist most pests, and can shrug off droughts with ease. These trees require almost zero maintenance, making them perfect for busy gardeners or anyone looking for a low-effort, high-reward crop. But it's not just the fruit that's valuable, the leaves are edible too. Packed with protein and nutrients, mulberry leaves can be used in salads, teas, or even as nutritious feed for livestock, adding another layer of usefulness to this remarkable tree. With varieties ranging from deep black to creamy white to vibrant red, there's a mulberry to suit every climate and personal taste. Each type brings its own unique flavor and charm to your garden. Planting a mulberry isn't just about growing fruit, it's about creating a living legacy. These trees can thrive for decades, providing shade, beauty, and nourishment for generations to come. For a small investment of time and care, you'll be rewarded with abundant harvests year after year. The mulberry truly is a forgotten superfruit factory, waiting to be rediscovered in your own backyard. Next up is a tree that packs a punch for calories and healthy fats, the hazelnut. Hazelnuts are loaded with protein, good fats, and minerals, making them a food security powerhouse. They store for months, even years, with minimal processing, just dry and keep cool. Hazelnut trees are hardy, low maintenance, and resist most pests and diseases. Plant at least 2 varieties for cross-pollination and double your yield. They fit into almost any yard and can be eaten raw, roasted, ground into flour, or pressed for oil. When you plant hazelnuts, you're investing in a reliable, storable, energy-packed food source. It's an insurance policy against hard times, and it tastes amazing. If you're searching for a tree that weaves together ancient history, natural beauty, and impressive productivity, look no further than the humble fig. This remarkable tree has been cherished for thousands of years, not just for its delicious fruit, but for its resilience and adaptability in gardens around the world. Figs are among humanity's oldest cultivated fruits, with evidence of their cultivation dating back to ancient civilizations in the Mediterranean and Middle East. These trees have provided abundant, nourishing food for generations, often thriving with minimal care or intervention. Once established, fig trees can yield dozens of pounds of sweet, nutritious fruit every year. They're remarkably tough, flourishing in hot, dry climates where other fruit trees might struggle, and they even thrive in large containers, making them perfect for small spaces or urban gardens. Dried figs are a time-honored way to preserve the harvest. Packed with fiber and natural sugars, they store for months without refrigeration, making them a staple in traditional pantries and a reliable source of energy through the seasons. Figs are also incredibly easy to propagate. With just a simple cutting, you can grow a new tree that often starts producing fruit in as little as 2 or 3 years. This makes figs a favorite among gardeners looking for quick results and sustainable abundance. There's a fig variety for every palate, from the honey-sweet Cadota to the rich, dark black Mission. Some are perfect for eating fresh, while others excel when dried or used in baking, jams, and preserves. Beyond their fruit, fig trees support pollinators and wildlife, providing food and shelter for bees, birds, and other creatures. By planting a fig, you're enriching your backyard ecosystem and supporting local biodiversity. Planting a fig tree is more than just adding a fruit tree to your yard. It's a living connection to a tradition thousands of years old and a gift of reliable, nutritious harvests for decades to come. No list of food security trees is complete without the apple. Apples are the backbone of orchards, especially where winters are harsh and growing seasons short. Eat them fresh, bake them, or turn them into cider, vinegar, or sauce. The options are endless. With proper storage, apples keep for months, providing fresh fruit deep into winter. They need cross-pollination and some care, but a single mature tree can yield up to 200 pounds a year for decades. Apples have been a cornerstone of food security and survival for generations. With thousands of varieties, you can tailor your orchard to your climate and taste. Planting apples is a commitment, but the payoff is a reliable, versatile food source that stands the test of time. Here's a game changer for dry climates, the carob tree. Carob thrives where almost nothing else will grow, producing up to 400 pounds of chocolate-flavored pods each year. The pods are high in sugar, fiber, calcium, and antioxidants, delicious straight off the tree or ground into flour. Carob pods need almost no processing and store for years, making them an ideal emergency food. Carob trees are nearly indestructible, drought-tolerant, low-maintenance, and perfect for marginal land. Historically, carob fed people and livestock when nothing else would grow. They take a few years to start producing, but once they do, they keep going for decades. If you want nutrition, sweetness, and resilience in harsh conditions, carob is your tree. For thousands of years, chestnut trees were a staple food across Europe and Asia. Each mature tree can yield hundreds of pounds of starchy, low-fat nuts, more like a grain than a typical nut. Roast, boil, or grind them into flour for bread and cakes. Chestnuts thrive in many soils and climates, and new blight-resistant varieties are making a comeback. A single tree can produce for over a century, outlasting most crops and fruit trees. Chestnuts require cross-pollination, so plant at least 2 for a reliable harvest. By planting chestnuts, you're restoring a legacy and building a perennial food system. Walnuts are the ultimate double-duty tree, food and valuable timber. Packed with calories, healthy fats, and protein, walnuts are a survival food that stores for years. A mature tree can produce over 100 pounds of nuts annually. Walnut wood is prized for its beauty and strength, an investment for future generations. Walnuts produce juglone, which can inhibit other plants, so plant them away from annual gardens. These tough, long-lived trees can survive for over a century. Planting a walnut is investing in food, value, and resilience for generations. And finally, the mighty oak, the civilization builder. For millennia, cultures relied on acorns as a staple food. A single mature oak can provide enough calories to feed a family of 4, year after year. Acorns are high in calories and fats. Once leached, they become flour for bread or porridge. Oaks stabilize soil, feed wildlife, and can live for centuries. Seek out sweet acorn varieties for easier processing. Once established, oaks need almost no care and are incredibly resilient. Planting an oak is the ultimate investment in food security and the future. Every year you delay planting these trees is a year of production lost. The best time to plant was 20 years ago. The second best is today. Combine annual crops with long-lived trees for both quick wins and deep security. Annuals feed you now. Trees feed you for generations. When you plant a walnut or oak, you're feeding your children and grandchildren. You're creating food security that extends beyond your lifetime. If this changed how you think about food security, subscribe for more strategies that last generations. Let's start building something that matters, together.